on WSM Radio, which is the same station that the Grand Ole Opry is broadcast on every night. So that was pretty cool. I was really nervous, but it was great. So this is I Didn't Want to Love You Anyway, and I wrote this about a guy who lives in Georgia who definitely had a girlfriend when he started dating me and didn't tell me about it until about a month in, and then decided that he was going to go back to her, and it was so great. So this is what that's about. I don't need to hear your explanation. Baby, your eyes say it all. So let's just skip the conversation. I'll walk you to your car. 'Cause it ain't hard to tell when you look at me that there's someone else you wanna see. So go on back to that girl in Georgia. I can't tell you don't wanna stay. And don't you dare think I'm gonna miss you. I didn't wanna love you anyway. I won't miss the way you used to kiss me, or the way you held me when I cried. I was fine living here without you before you walked in my life. And then you came along with those beautiful eyes, and I tried not to fall for a love that was a lie. So go on back to that girl in Georgia. I can't tell you don't wanna stay. And don't you dare think I'm gonna miss you. I didn't wanna love you anyway. And when you cross that state line, don't bother looking back, 'cause I've got nothing else to say. Yeah, I'll be moving on, and I won't think of you more than 100 times a day, every day. So go on back to that girl in Georgia. I can't tell you don't wanna stay. And don't you dare think I'm gonna miss you. I didn't wanna love you anyway. I didn't